Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Gemini and signing in so your session is active. Once done, switch to a plain text editor with the exact prompt you want to copy. This avoids hidden formatting. Make sure Gemini's input box is visible and your device clipboard is enabled. If you're on mobile, tap and hold the source text to reveal copy. On desktop, use Ctrl+C or CMD+C. You're ready to transfer the prompt cleanly into Gemini's Composer. Next, paste the prompt into Gemini while controlling formatting so the model reads it as intended. You want plain text paste. Use Ctrl+Shift+V or paste and match style on Mac, because hidden HTML or smart quotes change behavior. After pasting, scan for special characters and excessive line breaks and confirm you're within token limits. Then modify placeholders or variables to match your task context. This prevents errors. Finally, always run a short test to verify Gemini responds as you expect. Don't submit long jobs blind. If output is off, first check for hidden characters, truncated tokens, or missing context that changed during copy-paste. Make incremental edits and resubmit small snippets until the behavior stabilizes. If problems persist, rename and save a working prompt version so you can revert. This methodical loop, test, tweak, retest gets reliable results fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.